What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I'm so exhausted right now. I can't tell you guys how much. But I was just about to return the Vivo V9 that I had actually got for the review. And then I heard there is another stock of Redmi Note 5 Pro which I have actually ordered, but they actually missed the orders because there are so many people just in line to get the phone and the stocks are extremely limited. And then people are ready to pay 18,000 or 22,000 rupees for this particular phone. Like literally the Xiaomi's fan base, I have no words. But finally I have got my hands on my own Redmi Note 5 Pro. As you can see over here, it's so sunny. It's like almost 3 p.m. I have not even had my lunch, but here you go. And the catch over here is already you are paying 15,000 rupees. If you don't already know, you have to actually pay 1,000 rupees more. You are getting an original GST bill, and if anything happens, you can just throw the phone at their face. That's why you are actually paying like almost 1,000 rupees. And then it's compulsory that you have to actually buy a 2,000 rupee MI power bank 2i, which is like a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Yes, and in total I have spent 17,000 rupees in like no time. But yeah, I wanted a power bank anyways, not that huge but still. And here is my Note 5 Pro. Shit. There you go. I've actually unboxed it, of course. There is the cover. It's black. Looks pretty nice. Then we have the phone. As you can see, it's in a matte black color. Now why matte black? Well, this is actually going to be my media device. So yeah, having a front white doesn't make a whole lot of sense. So I just went with the matte black. I'm pretty sure Xiaomi would be announcing like a cherry red thing, but I just wanted this phone ASAP. I just went with the matte black. And it looks pretty dope, to be honest. I've actually tried the gold. There are no lake blue and rose gold available as if right now. But let's just take a look at the other accessories. We have a charger, typical Xiaomi charger. Then we have a micro USB, and then a SIM ejector tool which is abruptly extremely small. And there is nothing else, no earphones. Let's just take a look at the power bank now. Wow, it's pretty heavy. But the people who actually got before me did had to buy this thing. But yeah, anyways, 2,000 rupees for nothing. Where is my cutter? So let's just get it out. It's extremely heavy, to be honest. Wow, nice packaging to be. This is the power bank. Look how wide it is. Wow, it has a current. My fingers are tingling right now. So yeah, it's actually charged, I guess. And wow, I can actually slap anyone with this thing. It has two outlets, so I can charge two of my phones simultaneously, but it doesn't have Type-C. Okay, so it actually has like a half a charge, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my unboxing of Redmi Note 5 Pro. 17,000. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.